Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the gossip quest about the love story passionate girl. Okay, let's get started. First, just go meet the passionate girl in the windmill flower field. Over here. Just go meet her and then just talk to her and then just accept the quest like this. And then in here at the gossip quest we will ask to prepare a red rose for the passionate girl. So just go to your home and then just plant the rose. Maybe first you can just buy the seed from the NPC plant. And then just buy the rose seed. This rose seed, and then just adjust the amount of the rose seed that you want to buy. For example, in here I want to buy 5 seeds, and then after that just tap on purchase like this. And just keep in mind this rose seed will be unlocked when you reach gardening hobby level 9 or maybe 10. So make sure you already reach that level, and after that just go back to your home and then just plant these seeds. And then just plant the rose like this, and then just watering it. And then just wait until it's bloom. It will need 3 days. So yeah, just wait until 3 days and the flower ready to harvest. And after you get the flower rose, just go back to the NPC passionate girl, and then your quest will be complete. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.